Thank you. And now we have a very special treat. One of my favorite writers, Carrie Bradshaw, has agreed to share a poem that she wrote for the occasion.
Oh, give it up.
As I made my way to the microphone, I could only think one thing: dead woman walking. His hello was the end of her endings. Her laugh was their first step down the aisle. His hand would be hers to hold forever. His forever was as simple as her smile. And suddenly it hit me. Two people were committing to a life together, and I couldn't even get a guy to be on a card with me. He said she was what was missing. She said instantly she knew. She was a question to be answered. And his answer was, I do. I had no choice but to embrace the moment and try to pass off my tears as tears of joy for the happy couple.